and that's it. Look at it from close distance. What you're seeing here, it's nothing but foam that probably the installer put, I don't know why. Okay, but here what you have, that is the cartridge, okay? And here is the clips. Okay, so in order to pull it out, you have to pull this cartridge out, because that cartridge is the problem, that this shower valve does not work. So what I want to tell you is there is a small clip here, and this clip have to be removed, because this clip is what hold the cartridge here. Now if you have water, you didn't shut down the water, when you will remove it, it will fly on you with the pressure. So that's very important to close the water and bleed the water before you're removing this cartridge. So you see, I'm going to use these tools, which is a long nose plier. You can use other tools, but every tools can pull it out. So I'm going to use this one, and I'm just starting to pull it. And it's actually out, you can see. That is the clip, and that is the clip that hold this cartridge inside, and this clip have to be removed, and you have to hold it and use it at the end. So that's very important clip, don't lose it. This is the tool I'm going to use in order to pull the cartridge out. Now it may be difficult to pull it, you have to really pull it out. If you cannot pull it with this plier or other plier, you will have to buy a tool, special tools from Home Depot or Lowe's. Okay, so let's try it. And remember, this should be up. Look at that, it should be up here. There is some kind of a bump here, should be up, okay? And I try to pull it. Okay, do you see what's happening here? There was a little bit of water that come from the head shower, okay? But that's the way it looks.